Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. Today's video, we are doing a fall makeup look using all drugstore products. So if you want to see how I got this vampy look, then just keep on watching. It's 88 degrees, it feels like fall outside, and I was like, this is a great time to do a makeup look, like a fall makeup look. So everything I'm using is from the drugstore. I tend to do a lot of these on my channel only because I'm in college and I can't always, buy some high-end stuff, so I really like drugstore. So to begin, let's prime our face. I'm gonna go in with two different primers. When I think of like fall makeup, I think of very matte makeup, but I also like to be a little bit glowy. So we're gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and then we're also gonna go with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi. I feel, I guess I'll just outline it. Alright, so I'm taking just a little bit of the pore eraser and I just put that where my pores are a little bit bigger, my T-zone. The chin. I do have some like blemishes going on, but that's okay. And then I'm just gonna take like a little bit of the Magic Lumi and put that on the rest of my skin. Kind of put it everywhere, but kind of blend it in with the other concealer. With the other primer. We're gonna do eyes first. So I have two palettes here that I want to show you guys. I've used them both on my channel so many times. They're kind of old, but it's the Milani Pure Passion, and it looks like this. It's a lot more like pinkier tones. And then this is the Morphe 9A, which is one of my favorite palettes for fall. So I think I'm going to go in with this, but I might dabble into some shades of the Milani palette. Let's prime our eyes. I'm just going to take a little bit of this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and prime the lids. We are going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm using the Morphe E27, and I'm going to dabble into, what do I want to do? I'm going to dabble into Witness here, just like a light brown shade, has a little hint of orange, but we're just gonna put that in the crease and just kind of blend it out everywhere. Smoke it out a bit. We're gonna make it kind of dark, so we're gonna go with this color right here. It's called Bruise. And I'm gonna focus that kind of just like in the outer part, and then when nothing is left on my brush, we will then sweep it across. I haven't done eyeshadow in so long. I like forgot how to do it. Two brushes here, really flat definer brush and then more of like a rounded brush. I'm going to use the flat definer brush to get a precise like line, a precise like cutout line. Okay, so I kind of just mapped it out, and then I'm going to take the rounded brush and fill it in. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Totally Fond of You. And we're gonna plop that, even though it kind of just like blends in with what we got going on. And we're gonna put that right here. Kind of keeping it matte today. Go back in with Bruise, that like dark brown. So for foundation today, we are going to go in with the Morphe 2 Hint Hint Skin Tint. You guys know I love this. I'm in the shade Hint of Almond currently, but another good one is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. I always mention this when I mention this one, but this one I got the wrong shade. It's way too light for me right now. So we're going to go in with the Skin Tint. This one's a really good light foundation, and I kind of wanted like fresh skin for this look, but like really heavy on the eyes, so then it's like not too much makeup. And you guys know I really don't like a ton of foundation on my face anyways. This one is so nice, you don't even feel it. It's super natural. Be using something new for concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me instead of my Wet n Wild. Just kind of dab it on any blemishes. We're going to take the Halo Glow setting powder from e.l.f. and set under the eyes. Let's finish up the lower lash line. We're going to do a little bit of brown eyeliner. This one is from Revlon. One of my favorites. And then we are going to take like a little pointed brush. This one's so dirty. I suck. I'm going to take the transition shade, but also this really dark color. With bronzer, and we're going to use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Bronzer in Forever Sun Kissed. And we are just going to take this MAC brush. This one actually sheds a lot. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. And we're just going to And then for blush, we are going to go in with the Essence Satin Touch Blush in number 20, Satin Love. One of my favorite blushes of all time. Super neutral, and it's like kind of the in-between of like pink and peachy, but like more brown and mauve. So and I've been doing this technique where I don't focus it more like on the apples of the cheek, but I kind of sweep it up onto my, whatchamacallit, cheekbones to like look like I got a little facelift. Okay, So that's what we got going on. And then I'm going to go back in with this bronzer brush and kind of just diffuse it a little bit. I'm going to do some lashes, brows, and then we'll move on to the lips. This is the Revlon So Fierce mascara. It's actually a really good drugstore mascara. Makes them long and super, super black. Kind of being quick because I think I only have like 9 minutes to film this video, which I need to now refilm another one because I had to delete it just to finish this video. I need to get a bigger SD card. For lips, we are gonna go in with this L'Oreal Color Riche in Caramel. It's a little lip liner. It's super dark. Can't see. It's super dark, guys. And then we are gonna go in, ooh, I'm gonna use this color today. This is a Morphe lipstick in Cream Whipped. Looks like that. And then we're gonna apply a little gloss over top. Okay, this shadow always comes out. This palette is so old. These lipsticks are so buttery. Okay. Add this e.l.f. gloss in Mocha Kiss. Just on top. Like that. Oh. Gonna set the face. Brows. Let's do the brows real quick. Totally forgot about them. I don't even know where my brow stuff is. I'm not good at brows. Never was. So that completes this makeup look. I absolutely love it. I think it came out so good. I haven't done makeup in so long, so it just like feels good. I feel like I should be wearing a Burberry trench coat right now with some high knee boots, layered up in sweaters. Ugh. And in Paris, like I need to be in Paris holding a coffee. Like this is what I feel like right now. Total fall vibes. I got my fall nails to match. Super vampy look. Everything obviously was from the drugstore, as you guys saw. But I think it turned out so good. It's like very matte, but still like very focused on the eyes. And I love it. I love fall looks. I love dark, deep looks. It just fills my soul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.